Hello lovely people, welcome back to another quick tutorial of Quick Guide. In today's video, I'll be showing you how can you download your WhatsApp application into your PC. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Step 1. Open Microsoft Store. Firstly, you have to open your Microsoft Store, and after opening the Microsoft Store, you can see the search button into the top of the application. Search the WhatsApp in there. Then after searching WhatsApp, you can see this green WhatsApp application here. Just simply click into that. Step 2. Install the WhatsApp application. Now, you just simply have to click into this install button here. Your WhatsApp will be downloaded shortly depending on your internet connection. This is all you have to do to download WhatsApp into your PC. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching.